welcome to DIY Dreams. This is my very first episode on this channel, and I'm really excited to meet every single one of you, hopefully in the future. So, my name is Elizabeth. I'm really excited, as I said, to meet every single one of you. Today we're going to be doing something I thought we needed to do. This is my very first video, as I said, so I think I wanted to do something where you got to meet me. I went around the place and I asked my friends or family, just about anyone, about questions that they wanted to learn about me and my channel. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. There's 5 of these questions and I'm pretty much going to be answering them. So pretty much we're doing a mix of meet me and a Q&A. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and then you'll become part of DIY Dreams. On to the video. So here are the questions. I have them right here. There's 5 of them, and so I'm just gonna get started. So the very first question is things I like to do in my spare time. So what do I like to do in my spare time? And this question was given to me by friends. So I like to do a lot of things in my spare time. Sometimes it's more harder to find things that I actually want to do in my spare time, and then when I actually get the time to do it, it's almost like, what am I gonna do? So a few things that I really like to do are sports. I used to play before this all started. I used to do karate and basketball. I also really like running. I'm very artistic. I love sketching, drawing, anything creative. I really like it. I actually really like cleaning. It's just something I love things neat, tidy, organized. It's just something I really like doing. I really like just building with toys and Lego and baking. So that's actually a lot of things that we're going to be doing on this channel. I know that's another question, but pretty much everything I love. The second question is things on this channel. So I think what you meant was what this channel going to be about, and that was given to me by MacLeod. This channel, as I said, it's pretty much going to be a reflection of me, what I like to do in my spare time, pretty much what I'm going to be giving that content to you guys. So this channel is going to have anything creative that you can do it yourself. It's going to be on here. Baking, you can do it yourself. Making stuff, Lego, art, anything. Even video games. We're going to be playing video games on here. Everything. And that's why I love this idea. When I thought, originally, when I made this channel, I thought, if I could make a channel, what would I call it and what would it, be about? And then I said to myself, I want to make a channel about me. Literally, what do I like to do? And I'm going to make that for you guys. So that's what this channel is going to be about. I hope you can tune in, and yeah. So the third question is pets, is it a boy or a girl? So I think what you meant was, do I have a pet? And if I do, is it a boy or a girl? And this was given to me by Ranger's Marvelous Channel, coming soon. So I've had a lot of pets. Let's just put it out there. I've been very lucky. I've had a lot of pets ever since I was very little. I've had a number of fish. It's just something that usually happens to a lot of kids. You have fish and then you slowly either go from a fish to a dog when you're older, or a fish to maybe working your way up, which is what I did. I started with my fish and I did very creative names like Purpley and Bluey and Pinky. But yeah, pretty much I started with a fish and it just kept in my room, and yeah, and then my second pet was a hamster. So I called it King of the Prince, because my sisters originally, when we got it, we were just like, it's a boy, and they're just like, let's call it King, let's call it Prince, and it was just like, we got it, let's mush those names together and let's make it one name. So pretty much it's King of the Prince. And then the pets that I have currently are 3 guinea pigs named Fasty, Jewel, and Nibs. Fasty originally liked to run around when he was younger. He still does. He's very naughty sometimes. Like when we're trying to replace stuff, he'll go up to you and he'll try and nibble you, or like, ooh, what's going on? I want to be a part of it. And so pretty much, and Jewel and Nibs are very sweet. They were partners originally, like they're all boys. And then Fasty and Nibs get along. Jewel and Fasty originally, I don't know if they still do, but they don't get along. So we used to like just switch them out so they could each be with Nibs separately. And then I also have a rabbit named Buddha. Buddha is super sweet, so I hope you can see some pictures of him in later videos. I'm really excited to show you him. And yeah, I also have a dog at my dad's house. Her name's Adelaide, and she's really cute and fuzzy. So the, I believe, fourth question is, if I could go anywhere in the world, where would I travel or where would I go? This was given to me by friends. I would go a lot of places because of all of this happening. I would go a lot of places. But I think I really want to travel to some place like Scotland or Ireland or maybe even England. I love all of those places so much. I've never been able to go there personally, and I really would want to travel there with my mom because she's actually been to Ireland before, and I just think it would be amazing to be able to travel to Scotland. Originally, before this all happened, my mom was already going to go to Scotland with one of her friends, but of course her flight got canceled, and so I would want to be able to make up for that with like her going with me. So I think that'd be really fun, and I think that's where I would travel. Now, our final question of the day, our fifth question, is personal challenges that I had to overcome. So I think what it meant was, do I have any personal challenges that I had to overcome? And if I did, what did I have to overcome? This is given to me by J.D. MacLeod. So I am dyslexic, which is pretty much a disability for, I can read. It's not like you can't read. It's just harder for me to read. Like, I stumble on my words sometimes when I'm reading, and so I kind of just need to focus on word by word instead of just getting a book and reading the whole thing. It's like a scanner. I kind of scan the lines instead of someone normally would scan it like up and down. I scan it right to left. So that, and my writing is a little bit like, I can't spell as well, so I kind of just need to like focus almost on what I'm writing almost. And yeah, so that's just something about me. Other than that, I really haven't had like any other challenges, but almost like, I just think that's about it. Now it's not, I was like very lucky because I didn't get like, some kids in the world get hit by it more than others. So like some kids physically cannot like read as well as others. So like I can read very well. It's not like I can't read at all kind of thing, but still I needed to practice. It just means I need to work on it harder than most kids, and I'm fine with that because usually my mom's behind this camera, I will read to her most of the time. So yeah, but yeah, I just need to practice, and yeah. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you'll tune in to other videos in the future. I was really excited to meet you all. Yeah, bye guys!